Welcome to Thalassa restaurant. Today I'm going to show you how we prepare one of our signature dishes here, which is scallops wrapped in kataifi. For you viewers out there who doesn't know what kataifi is, this is kataifi, shredded phyllo dough. One of my favorites to use here in the kitchen. So let's jump right into it. First of all, I have my kataifi here. I put a damp cloth, right, to keep it from drying out. Kataifi is very temperamatic, okay, and it'll dry out in a hot kitchen. I have my scallop here, straight out of the sea, very fresh, as you can see. So let's start rolling the kataifi scallop with the scallop. Okay. As you can see, I'm gently rolling it, tucking, pulling back, and voila. Now we're going to take it to the saute pan and we're going to cook our scallop. Follow me. Here I have my saute pan with some extra virgin olive oil, lime zest, lemon zest, and some fresh herbs to add flavor to the olive oil. I'm going to put our scallop right into that. You can hear that sizzle. Cook on medium heat. You want to give at least 3 to 5 minutes per side, okay? Browning the kataifi. Don't let your guard down because this will cook very quickly. Rotating it, searing all parts of the kataifi in the olive oil. As soon as you have this done, okay, I like to put it in the oven to fully cook the scallop at 350 degrees, at least for another 15 minutes. And that will allow the scallop to be fully cooked. As you can see, I was just browning, golden brown nicely. I think it's time to put the scallop in the oven. Now we're going to let the scallop cook. Okay, scallops cook very quickly also, so keep an eye on it. Put the timer 10 to 15 minutes, checking it and rotating it throughout the cooking process. Now let's take our scallop out. Nice and golden brown, fully cooked. We're going to take our scallop to our cutting board. Cut it in half. Fully cooked. We're going to add some balsamic reduction. Not too much. Our sun-dried tomatoes. Caper berries. Fresh herbs. Squeeze a fresh lemon. Drizzled extra virgin olive oil. And these are our scallops wrapped in kataifi dough. Tune into our next episode, okay? And remember, eat fish, live long.